Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. So for that, just open your Cash App. So here we just click on the debit card icon and this is gonna take us to this page called Cash Card. If you already have a card, you will get the option Cash to Apple Pay. You just have to click on it. And if you don't have Cash Card, you can simply click here and order a free card for yourself. And if you already have a card, you can go on and click on this and click on Cash to Apple Pay. So here you just have to click on Add Card to Apple Pay, and then you have to enter your card and details like your name and card number, and just click on Next. And on this page, it will gonna ask you whether you want to use your Cash App card as your default one or not. So just click on use as default card, and that's it. Then you will come to this page where it says your Cash card was added to your Apple Pay. Just click on done. Now our card is added to our Apple Wallet, and now we'll go ahead and jump over to our Apple Pay. And now we are on the Apple Wallet. Here you will see this option called Cash App. You just have to click on it, and right there you will see this Cash App card here which says from Cash. Just click on it, and you just have to double tap on it, and there you go. And now you can go ahead and pay through Apple Pay. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.